Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello, riders! In this video, I will explain how to turn and ride for. Mastering turns is crucial for faster lap times and better control. Begin your lean early, even before you think you need to, unlike in car games. Smoothly rotate your analog stick to guide the bike, avoiding sudden, jerky movements. This delicate input allows the bike to gradually lean into the corner, setting you up for a clean line. Remember, precision over aggression is key for effective turn entry. Next, let's talk about braking and rider weight. Trail braking is essential. Apply heavy front braking on the straight, then gradually ease off as you enter the corner. Simultaneously, push your left analog stick backward to shift your rider's weight, which helps stabilize the bike and maintain front tire grip. Be cautious with the rear brake during a turn, as it can easily cause the rear wheel to slide out, leading to a crash. Aim for about 75% front brake pressure initially. Now, let's focus on the apex and accelerating out of turns. As you reach the apex, the innermost point of the corner, begin to gently apply the throttle. This gradual acceleration prevents the front wheel from lifting, maintaining traction and control. Once the bike is upright and pointing straight, engage the tuck-in button for maximum speed down the straightaway. Finding this balance between throttle and lean angle is vital for a powerful and stable exit, shaving precious tenths of a second off your lap time. Finally, let's refine your cornering techniques. Proper gear selection is crucial. Often, second or third gear provides the best balance of power and control through a turn. Pay close attention to the racing line, approaching left turns from the right side of the track and vice versa. This wide entry allows for a tighter exit. Consistent practice is the most effective way to improve your turning skills. Start with less powerful 600 cubic centimeter bikes to build confidence before moving to liter bikes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.